Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we will share a quick review of some of the controls used to operate a 1941 Ford 9N tractor. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos including DIY, maintenance, projects, and yard work. This is in addition to the videos which introduce this old vintage tractor project. Although these controls seem obvious to some who are familiar with these machines, I thought it would be worth sharing to those who might not be as familiar with these machines. To begin, we have our key switch and start button. The key switch is two-position, meaning it is either on and off, so the start button is required to start the engine. Next, we have our choke control and throttle control. The choke control will choke or reduce the air into the carburetor. This will make the air-fuel mixture more rich with fuel and allow the engine to start more easily when it is cold. The throttle control works with the engine governor and the carburetor to control fuel delivery and engine speed. The throttle control and engine speed for this tractor is more similar to a riding lawnmower than an automobile. By this I mean it was designed for maintaining consistent engine speeds over longer periods of time. For example, in the field rather than variable engine speeds such as in stop-and-go traffic or driving around town. As a side note, in this picture you will see the original starter button in front of the transmission gear shifter. The new starter button works with an automotive-style starting solenoid and starter. The foot peg in the front is used as a footrest. The clutch pedal will disengage the engine from the transmission, and the last pedal is for the drum brake on the left rear wheel. This Ford 9N tractor is equipped with a 3-speed manual transmission. As seen, the transmission is in neutral. I'll demonstrate the shift pattern with my finger. Starting with first on the upper right, second on the upper left, and third down on the bottom right. Shifting into reverse is on the bottom left corner. Also seen in this view is the transmission fill plug, which is located on the left side of the shifter. On the right and left side of the transmission case are the foot pegs up front, the two individual rear brake pedals, and the clutch pedal. The hydraulic lift control is on the far right of this view. The hydraulic lift control can also be seen here on the right side above the right brake pedal, muffler, and dipstick for the transmission. The hydraulic lift control engages the pump to lift the lower two arms of the 3-point hitch. The PTO or power takeoff is a rotating shaft to power attachments located in the rear. The control to engage or disengage the PTO is on the left side behind the pedals. PTOs are commonly seen in tractors. For comparison, in riding lawnmowers they are belt-driven instead of powered through the transmission and engaged through a lever or a switch. In the front left side of the engine there is a breather for the engine crankcase ventilation. It is also used to fill oil in the engine. Next to the breather is the assembly case that holds the oil filter. The air filter is located on the right side behind the engine but in front of the firewall and gauges. The air filter uses sealed engine oil and a metal mesh to filter the air. Due to the 12-volt conversion, the 12-volt alternator can be seen on the front right side of the engine. On the top of the hood is the battery cover, which allows access to the now 12-volt automotive battery as well as the fuel tank. Last but not least, there is a radiator fill cap at the front of the engine. Since this engine is water-cooled, it includes similar items to an automotive water-cooled engine, such as a radiator, fan, water pump, and thermostat. I hope you have enjoyed the review of some of the controls and maintenance locations on this old vintage Ford 9N tractor. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.